closing sales transactions lesson from solving a Rubik's Cube. Number 5. The Rubik's Cube third layer. Aligning yellow corners symbolize finalizing details. Ensuring all terms, condition, and paperwork are clearly communicated and agreed upon. Precision and clarity at this stage prevent misunderstandings and build long-term trust. The danger is in the details. Thoroughness and transparency lead to lasting relationship. Provide a checklist of items the client needs to bring or prepare, such as IDs, proof of income, and reservation fee. This keeps the process smooth and professionals. Example, you schedule a meeting to review the contract, highlighting essential clauses such as timeline for transferring ownership and inclusion like landscaping or additional features, ensuring the client feels fully informed.